Hello everyone, welcome to DSS online classes. This is Reena Chaurasia, your computer teacher. Today we are going to read chapter 3. Okay, note that this is only reading video, not explanation video. So let's start the reading. Chapter 3 is page formatting in MS Office Word. Page formatting in MS Office Word. Here, formatting means arrange or put into a format. Okay. So, our first topic is the importance of formatting. In Word, the formatting of text and the page can give your document a professional look. Features like adding header and footer, inserting page breaks, creating columns in a page, applying border and shading are really useful while creating a professional document. Here, Word refers to MS Office Word. Okay. Professional means related to a profession. Features means characteristics. Okay. Next topic is including a header and footer in your document. Including means adding. Let us suppose you have typed a 10-page report on the topic solar system and you want the text, a project report on solar system, to appear on top left of each page and the line report made by student of class 5 at the bottom left of each page. You can do the following. Suppose means assume, मान लेना. Okay. First point is type the line which you want to appear on the top of each page in the header section. Second point is type the line which you want to appear at the bottom of each page in the footer section. You can see these are header and these are footer. Means whatever you write, whatever you type on the top of the page is known as header and whatever you type on the bottom of the page is known as footer. Okay. Both the lines will automatically appear on each page of the project report. Automatically means by itself, खुद ब खुद, स्वतः, अपने आप. Okay. What is header? A header is the text that appears at the top of each page of a document. And what is footer? A footer is the text that appears at the bottom of each page of a document. Means header appears on the top of each page and footer appears at the bottom of each page. Okay. Next topic is adding header. Whatever you type in the header, it will be reflected on top of each page of the report. Let's understand through an activity how to insert a header. Activity 1, to insert the header. Here are some steps. You have to simply follow these steps and header will be get inserted in your page. First step is click on the insert tab. Here is insert tab, you can see. Second step is click on the header button. Header button is here. Third step is the header gallery opens. Select the header type from the list of headers displayed. Fourth step is click on the header placeholder and type the text. Fifth step is click on the close header and footer button. Okay. The header is created. Remember, while cursor is in the header section, you click on the insert tab. You can insert pictures, shapes and smart art in the header footer by this. Next point is Adding footer. To add the footer, all the steps are same, but in step 2, click on the footer button. If you can't see header footer, change to print layout view from the view tab. Next heading is removing header and footer. To remove the header, click on the remove header option at the end of the header gallery. You can also remove the footer by this way. Remove means delete. Take something away from the position occupied. Remove means hatana. Okay. Quick quiz. If you have to provide report name, a picture, your name and date on every page, how will you add these in header and footers? Okay, you have to answer this question. Next topic is inserting the page break. A page break is the place in the text where one page ends and the next one begins. Begins means start. While typing a document, a page break is inserted automatically when the fixed number of lines have been typed. But many times you need to force a page break as per your requirement. Requirement means need, avashyakta. Here is a girl. She is saying something. What is she saying? In my project report on animals, I want to start the description of each animal on a new page. So I will use page break. Okay. How to insert a page break? Let's learn it through an activity. Activity 2, to insert a page break. You have to follow some steps. First step is place the cursor after which you want a page break. Second step is click on the insert tab. This is the insert tab. Okay. Third step is click on the page break button. Where is page break button? Here is page break button. You have to click on this page break button. Okay. The page break will be inserted and the next page will start. Remember to hide the white spaces before and after the page break. Double click on the page break line. The pages will appear to be separated by a thick black line. Separated means isolated, alag. Okay. Now next topic, making columns. Making columns. If you observe the text in a newspaper or in a magazine, you will see that it has been typed in columns. You can also create columns in the MS Word document and type the text column wise. Here observe means look on. ध्यान से देखना. Activity 3, to create 2 columns in the document. Here are some steps to create 2 columns in your document. First step is click on the page layout tab. Where is page layout tab? Here is page layout tab. You have to click on this tab. Second step is click on the columns button. This is columns button. Third step is select the number of columns. Okay. 1 column, 2 column, 3 column. Okay. You have to select how many columns you want in your document. So here, if you want 2 columns in our document, we will click on 2. Okay. The page will be divided into the specified number of columns. We have click on 2 columns, so our document will be created in 2 columns. First column, second column. Okay, you can see here are 2 columns. This is first column and this is second column. Okay, quick quiz. Think and name any 2 kinds of document which you have seen printed in multiple columns. You have to answer this. Next point is inserting the page number. The page numbers help in the ordering of pages. Ordering means arrange in a appropriate way. If a document has multiple pages, you must insert page numbers on it. Here is an activity to insert page numbers. Activity 4, to insert page numbers. First step is click on the insert tab. This is insert tab. Second step is click on the page numbers button. This is page numbers button. Third step is select the position of page number on the page. Okay, so we have selected bottom of page. Okay, we want page number will show on bottom of our page, so we have to click on bottom of page. Okay, fourth step is select the alignment of the page number. Page numbers will be inserted. Okay.